just as pure as blah 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 blah. Focus, yeah. Hey guys, it's James here for Uncorked Automotive. Week 3 of quarantine. It's been a lot of fun. I've worked on my car a lot. But I was looking at the front end and I noticed that the grille on the front bumper on my E46, this is the pre-facelift one. So the grille on there, I don't think it looks good, and I want to see what it looks like without it. Also, I got a aluminum tow hook from Concord. I'm going to show you how to install that. So, yeah, let's just jump right into it. So this is what you're going to receive whenever you get the Concord tow hook box, but this is just for the front. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to try it out on the rear and see if I liked it. Also, I'm working on a rear diffuser, custom rear diffuser that I made from ABS plastic, or not ABS, but HDPE plastic sheets. I think it looks pretty good. I should have showed it on camera, but I'll just take a picture of it and show you. But yeah, what you're going to get is you're going to get the tow hook itself, the backing plate. It adds structural rigidity to it, and then you're going to get the 2 bolts with it. So you don't need to pick up any hardware whenever you buy these. On the rear one, there's 6 adjustment holes, so you can adjust it. Just an FYI, if you pick up this kit, it's pretty much got everything that you need to install. Now, modifying your bumper, and you're going to have to cut it. Alright, so you're going to have 1 bolt here at the end, 1 here, same on the other side, literally just here and here, if I can get it in the shot, here and here. But then you're going to have these 2 right here, 1 right here, 1 right here. Those are going to be, there you go, those are going to be T50. Focus, yeah. T50. Okay. So that's how you get the bumper. I don't know why people tell you to take the headlights off. It's so strange. Alright, I got it. Alright guys, now tell me what you think of this. Looks alright, but I got an idea. Yes sir, I said an idea. Where did it go? Where did my idea go? Around here somewhere. Oh, there they are. Alright. Check that out. That is off of a Dodge Raining grill. Got 2 of them sitting right there, plus this one and another one. That is an option. Why don't you guys drop a comment and tell me what you think, because I kind of like this, but at the same time, let's call this stuff. Yeah, it's broken right here too. Yeah. Alright, so we've made it pretty far. I've got the hole cut out. Did it on the wrong side. But that's alright. Now, you got to pull the bumper bar off, the actual metal part. So in order to do that, you have to pull off the trim, the plastic trim that goes around the car, or the front bumper. Once you get that off, then you can get the metal bumper bar off. Once you get the metal bumper bar off, then you can drill it. Because right now, you can't get at it. So, yep, that's the next step. You got to pull the bumper bar off, and then we can drill the holes. Alright, yeah, and one more thing. I didn't really show it real well. I will here in a minute. But when you get it lined up with the bumper, you get the hole cut, and you get it pressed up against there where it's supposed to be. You want to outline where the part is on the metal part, or on the metal bumper. Metal part. Brilliant. Yeah, line it up with the metal bumper and take your pen and outline it so you know where to line it up after you get the bumper off. Alright, back at it. Alright, so that'll do it. Final product looks really good. I'm happy with it, at least. And as all the YouTubers say, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And hit that bell notification. If we got any more time of this quarantine, definitely going to have a lot more projects coming.